Okay.
in the top.
All right.
That side, it's all breaking loose, and you'll find. You see this where the birds go in.
Yeah, we'll get that taken care of. We got that in our house too.
And then the water line to the bathroom is in.
Woohoo! Okay, in the kitchen, one of the things that we noticed on the walkthrough was this kitchen wall looks like it hangs a little bit low on the floor here. And then we went into the bedroom and they actually pieced together 2 baseboards because it was such a low point. So our guess is they probably took out a weight-bearing wall that was downstairs. So we're gonna have to re-brace the floor. Time to take the fan down, and they actually wired the fan to a plug. Like a whole system, like maybe just like get on it a few times. Okay, you gotta hold this fan now. Okay, so one side's out. Okay, one side's out. Okay, hold on, this helps. Okay. I'm not really doing that.
This is a piece of paper from 1978.
Wow. Thank God I moved. That would have just come knocked out. Oh. Day 2 was a very good one. Trey put a few extra hours in. We got the complete drop ceiling down in the living room. Still in the same spot in there. He completely removed the ceiling in this room. And then in this room, we had some help and we got the whole drop ceiling removed. And he did some work on this wall. It was originally an exterior wall and it was a tough one. But it is removed.